Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the One Bad 392 family. We're on the road to 300. Today's video will be about 1 year of YouTubing and my experiences during that year. And also I would include some outtake clips that I thought was pretty hilarious. Let's get ready for the video. Let's go. Alright, so as you saw in the intro, today's video be about 1 year of YouTubing and some outtake clips that I thought was pretty hilarious. So the first clip or clips I'm gonna show are some intro moments that didn't quite go right. I thought they was pretty hilarious and I wanted to share that with you guys. Sometimes you gotta be able to laugh at yourself when you're doing stuff like YouTube. So let's check out these clips. All right, welcome back to the video. Welcome to the channel. Before I get into today's video, things that I find to be all right, welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. Today's video will be a review of Big Deal's 2021 Dodge Challenger.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, as you saw that clip, it was pretty hilarious, man. Kind of lost my train of thought on a couple of those intros because, also why you lose your train of thought sometimes. So, this next clip would be trying to shoot some B-roll, and you got somebody comes up and they just interrupt you right in the middle of trying to shoot some B-roll, and I thought it was pretty hilarious. So guys, check this out.
You guys want me to take some pics of you guys at the park? Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
All right, fans. So look, this next set of clips are where transitions have went really bad. Again, I thought it was pretty funny. Wanted to share this with you guys. Terra seats. Let's get into the video.
He needs some milk.
All right, as you guys can see, YouTubing is not that easy. You know, I'm still learning a lot of the editing tricks and stuff to the trade. But I thought the clips I shared with you guys were pretty funny. Messing up on the intros. The transitions were terrible on those particular videos. Sometimes you gotta do 2 and 3 takes to get it right. So if you guys are to start deciding you want to start a YouTube channel, make sure you up on your technical skills as far as how to operate editing apps, whether it's Pro Director, iMovie, or whatever you're using. Make sure you practice with those prior to starting your channel. If you decide to start a channel, make sure you got the time to do it. You know what your content's going to be, and try not to pigeonhole yourself into one category. I like to show my Audi at times. But I think I pigeonholed myself to where most of my subscribers, what they want to see is Mopar content, which is no problem. I have a feature that I call Spotlight Saturdays, where I want to showcase local people that have nice cars. It doesn't necessarily have to be Mopar. So I don't want to make this video too long, hold you guys too long, but I wanted to get some content out to you guys as I go to work this afternoon, being detailed to another shift. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Become part of the One Bad 392 family. Hit the like button so this video will circulate through YouTube, help the algorithms. And then also leave a comment, man. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see in the future. Until the next video, stay humble. Peace and blessings. I'm out.